Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mimi's Makeup. So let's go to the next question, or the question of the day, which will be, which celebrity always has great makeup? I have two in my mind, like Kim Kardashian, before she become like how she looks like now. Like from many years, she was so amazing. But still her makeup is so amazing. I love her makeup so much. And also J.Lo, Jennifer Lawrence, one of my favorite, and always looks so beautiful in makeup. So she's amazing one. She's one of my role model. And Katy Perry, yeah, I love her eyes so much. So there are three. So I love their makeup so much, and I love how they look when they apply makeup, as I love how they look without makeup, especially J.Lo and Katy Perry. Yeah, so this is for this question. So let's go to the next one in the next video, and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye.